What's a common myth about your industry?
There's a few, but I'd say the main one is probably that in order to achieve a really luxe look, you have to use really expensive product. Definitely not the case. I think we've proved with a lot of the 3Ds that we've produced already that you can use affordable product and still create a beautiful space. I think it comes down to making the right selections and mixing the right finishes, and definitely layering helps to make a space look and feel more luxe and have that homey feel. Yeah, I think that's probably one of them. The other one is probably that an interior designer just fluffs cushions, makes spaces look pretty by just throwing things together, which is definitely not the case. Just as it is with our 3Ds in a real life experience, pulling a room together, pulling a look together takes a lot of time and consideration and a lot of hours. So yeah, that's definitely one thing that people are surprised by, I guess, is how much admin is involved in designing a home.
I completely agree. Like, we have
Yeah.
some interior designers in our community, and
Yeah.
so I see the back end of what they're doing and I think, oh my gosh.
Yeah, I think you definitely spend more time sort of behind the computer doing administrative tasks or documenting designs than you do playing with samples and pulling and scheming looks.